guys, today I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. So let's just start. First we have a big cucumber, a bear, a lizard, a capybara, a block, a labubu, a carrot, boba tea, a chicken, a ring pop, a cat, an octopus, a bird, a duplicate which is octopus, pancake, hubba bubba, a little flying creature, a cat, elf, milk jelly blush, a kid, a baby, and then we have some some Welch's gummies. I usually can't see that too well, but it is Jolly Ranchers, and then some Lucky Charms, and then a paint palette. So yeah, that is all my squishies.